Hello everybody, here's Gamesir and this is Eleanor. Today I'm gonna to display the C2 Pro for the customers. This one can connect with all controller games, PS3, 4, and Switch, and Xbox, and PC. Yeah, show you. Yeah, it's better for play the street fighting games. So here is turn on, and here DP it means you can use a button, and RS it means you can use a joystick, and LS it means both of you can use. Home it means back to the menu. Option you can put it in and get in the option, and here just a logo. Touchpad share L3 R3 FN is same as the PS4 controller. Yes. So we starting now. Yes. Right now is enter the game. Street Fighter. Yes, move. Yes, this one is perfect for the mobile phone gaming, and it looks like a phone case, but not just a phone case. It's a gaming phone case. See, here have the two buttons, just like the joystick. You can, I forgot to open it. See, right now it's turned on. Arming, shooting. See, this one for arming, this one for shooting. You don't need to setting by the games. You don't need to setting any apps. You just enter the PUBG and play. Yes. It's perfect for the FPS games. Right now we have the 6, 7, Plus as iPhone XR, X, and XS Max. Yes. Gamesir i3. Okay. So next one is our new product in this year. This one is F4. Yes. This one don't need the Bluetooth. You just plug in and use. And we have the turbo button here. It means you can press once and shooting 3 times, because right now it's the first level. Different gun. Yes. Because right now it's 3 times. See. And this one is very easy to carry. You can floating it and put it on your bed. Yes. When you open it, it's like this. Can fit for the all mobile phone, just like you can match for the iPhone, also Android. Yes. And we're going to say G6S. This one with a vibration. You can set in your vibration here. You can set in by the apps. For example, where I want the vibration when I was shooting, so you can set in by yourself. And we have the 10 button can be customized. Can set in for the customers for the all FPS games, because you know if you use a standard gamepad, it's very hard to arming. For example, if you want to turn right, it will move so faster. But for the FPS game, it's perfect for user figure, so that you can arming so cleanly. Yes. And you can setting for this button. Yeah. This is very great for the FPS games. Yeah. Okay, thank you.